Hello guys, welcome to channel. Introduce myself. My name is Angelina Napitupulu. I'm from Group B. I am from HKBP University, Nomensen, Medan. This topic is discourse analysis and vocabulary. Bringing the discourse dimension of language teaching does not mean sending teaching about vocabulary. Lesson and vocabulary will still get on the discourse-oriented learning syllabus in this unit. The dimension of discourse will be explained clearly by connecting the concept of discourse analysis with vocabulary in language teaching. What we need to do at this point is to look at some specific relationship between vocabulary choice. Vocabulary choice context in terms of the situation in which discourse is generated on CO text and actually text surrounding the lexical it aims in the discourses. Number 1. Lexical cohesion is one of the descriptive efforts developed by Holiday and Hassan in studying vocabulary patterns. At the sentence level, the relationship between vocabulary items in the text described by Holiday and Hassan's model are two main types of vocabulary patterns: reiteration and collection. Reiteration means resting a word in the certain part of the next part in the discourse by direct repetition and reaffirmation of the meaning of the word through lexical relation such as synonym or hyponym, while collection only refers to the probability that a lexical item word repurposes and is not a semantic relationship between words as in reiteration. Number 2. Lexile in talk. Lexis in conversation. There is no single reason not to use the lexical relationship model in the text as described above in the speech data oral. There are interesting observations that can be made about how people involved in conversation reverse their words and underline each other choice of vocabulary from one form to another. This is then referred to as lexical discourse. Number 3. Register and chew vocabulary. Register and chew vocabulary. Vocabulary chewing in the selection is strongly influenced by several lexical factors. Lexical selection in the discourse will be depend on the context or register, such as the context in the box, magazine, news report, etc. The writer assumption about the audience and reader, whether the styles of the discourse is read, written, and oral, and so on. Therefore, the relationship between vocabulary and register needs to be studied together when studying textual signaling. Number 4. Modality. Modality is often referred to as the are of a closed class of modal verb, must, can, will, might, etc. In this case, modality is considered a part of English grammar, but a large number of lexical words, such as noun, adjective, verb, and adverb, carry the same or similar meaning as modal verb. For this reason, modality is therefore always related to vocabulary in discourse. Conclusion: a study of vocabulary in discourse includes the patterns in the text that are produced by lexical relationship. Lexical or vocabulary relationships are those found along the boundaries of clauses and sentences. Then the role of certain words is constructing discourse and also the relationship between vocabulary features. This analytical approach provides an alternative input to visual discourse construction as a complement and variation in the traditional semantic domain. Titulation: the study of vocabulary in discourse include patterns in the text that are produced by lexical relationship. Lexical or vocabulary relationships are thus found along the boundaries of clause and sentence. Then the role of certain word in constructing discourse and also the relationship between vocabulary feature and analytical approach provides an alternative impetus and discourse construction as complement to the orientation in the traditional semantic domain. Okay guys, thank you for watching.